Well, it's a new day, starting to get things back on the wall, starting to get things tidied back up again and put back together. Yeah, it's quite a challenge. Right, let's get it going. Right, looking pretty good. Most of the things are back together. We've got things working on clickers, like that. The lights will come on automatically. Right, there's some things I don't think are going to be staying. I've got a feeling that tool cabinet there is going to be going because, well, it doesn't suit the ambience of it all now because it blocks out the panel. So guess who's not going to be happy with that? Right, now a little bit of carpet cleaning. Well, I've still got some light outside. And of course this is the bit everybody loves to see, all the dirty water going down the drain. Look how filthy we are. Lovely. There you go. That's a bit cleaner. Marvellous. You're not supposed to be sitting down. You're supposed to be tidying and cleaning and sorting.
I know. I think I've buggered myself up.
What have you done? Have you broken yourself? You muppet. So you're moaning you've knackered yourself up and then you go moving furniture.
Well, it's got to be done, isn't it?
Yeah, and I can do it. Sit down, shut up. Ted, tell her.
Watch up, Ted. He says, yeah, but my seat's missing. Innit? Your seat's missing, Bubs.
Ah. But you like it?
Yeah, I do. Do you like it?
It's getting there.
We have one problem.
Cabinet.
No. Well, yeah, that as well.
What then?
You know the grill that you sprayed for me that was silver? You sprayed it black.
Yes.
There's paint on it. And I didn't rub it, it's on the draining board.
Oh, okay. And the blinds have been washed?
Yeah. So they're nice and clean now.
Mm-hmm. Getting there.
Cushions are back in, they've been washed as well.
Mm.
Yeah. The cupboard's it's just not central under the panel. But we can't because of the speakers.
No, exactly. Unless you get a big bass speaker thing. Mind you, we've got one upstairs. Could use that. Just wouldn't be able to put anything on top of the fireplace.
That's alright. Yeah, we could swap those round, couldn't we?
You don't have to create work for me.
But it does look nice.
Right.
Right.
And it's nice and clean.
Right.
Ready for the Christmas tree.
Good.
Shitter was full!
Goodbye. So you're having to sit down now, are you? After you've put everything out and tidied up and got it all sorted.
Yeah, we're nearly there.
Nearly there.
Well, I'm going to order a new piece of furniture.
Yeah, so we're going to get another one of these and get rid of that because that doesn't suit now. I've had to change the speakers. That speaker will be hidden as this one is this side. And I had to change the speakers from the LG ones because apparently this needs to be in the middle of that.
That's right.
Right. Okay. Even though the LG speakers were better. It's all about the look, apparently. Which is going to be fun because we've got this great big bass speaker down here. I think that's going to be the next victim to fall. I also want to ask you how you're going to get the wallpaper out of that speaker that you dropped in there. Oh, you're not seeing? When you're stripping the wallpaper, there's a great big strip of it in there now.
Is there?
There is, yeah. And my big fat hands won't fit in there. I doubt yours will.
Like
Alright.
that, you mean?
Smart ass.
Oh!
Can we panic now?
There's a spider on it.
Yeah!
Oh dear. Have you got a friend? Oh look. He's a big friend.
It's a big bugger.
He's a big dead friend, so we'll put him in the bin.
Oh, yeah.
Right, so that'll do for now, will it? That was bloody hard work.
I bet it was. You know, you said to clean the carpet.
Yes.
If you stand here and look that way, it don't look very clean.
That's where your feet have been. So whatever's on your shoes, which is probably the rubber sole, probably the chemicals out of the rubber sole, that's what's been marking this carpet.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why we got patches. That's why there was a big patch there where you do your jigsaws.
Yeah.
Yeah, and look where you've been standing over there just now. It's all coming off the bottom of your slippers.
Good grief.
Yeah, so I've now got to clean the carpet again.
So I can't wear slippers?
Well, not those.
Wow.
Yeah. All where you've just been standing.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all coming off the bottom of your slippers. That's what the black is.
That's what all them marks were then.
Yeah. All there, where you've been shuffling your feet.
Oh, wow.
It's all coming off your slippers. All work for me.
Bloody hell.
You can say goodbye, Ted.
So, it's my gotcha day. I've been here 5 years today sorting them out.
All is interesting. There's this ball that's just down here. Just there, look. So
Nice.
if I kick it...
No, he's more interested in what you got in your other hand.
Oh, you want the spider, dear? Here you go. You want spider? There you go.
Don't let him have. Oh.
Right, I'm going. Wave bye.
Bye.